Good morning to all. We are going to see Unit 1 Random Variables from subject Probability and Queuing Theory. The course outcome of this unit is to understand the fundamental concepts of probability and acquire knowledge of standard distributions which can describe real life phenomena. And the objective of this preparing video to learn concept of a continuous distribution and problems. Now, random variables and distributions, in that we are going to see continuous random variables, second one cumulative distributive function, third one to find mean and variance. Continuous random variable. A random variable capital X is said to be continuous if it takes all possible values between certain limits, say real number A to real number B. An example of a continuous random variable is length of time during which a vacuum tube installed in a circuit functions is a continuous random variable. Probability density function. So for a continuous or random variable capital X, a probability density function is a function such that it has two conditions, f of x greater than equal to 0, and second condition, integral minus infinity to infinity f of x into dx is equal to 1. Continuous distribution function, which is denoted as CDF. If f of x is a PDF of a continuous random variable capital X, then the function capital F of x is equal to P of x less than equal to small x. That can be taken as integral minus infinity to x f of x into dx within the range minus infinity to infinity. So actually the range is minus infinity to infinity, but here we should take minus infinity to x into f of x into dx. This is called distribution function or cumulative distribution function of a random variable. So let us see this example. Capital F of 3 is equal to P of x, capital X is less than equal to 3. So the range is less than equal to 3. So our formula is minus infinity to 3 f of x into dx. Now, in this diagram, we want to find out the area below this x naught. So, f of x naught is equal to p of x less than equal to x naught, that can be written as minus infinity to x naught f of x into dx. So, we will see problem 1. If the density function of a continuous random variable capital X is given by f of x is equal to ax for the range 0 to 1, a for the range 1 to 2, then 3a minus ax for the range 2 to 3 and 0 for otherwise. Now the questions are, first one, find the value of a. Second one, the cumulative distribution function of x. Third thing, if x1, x2 and x3 are three independent observations of x, what is the probability that exactly one of these three is greater than 1.5? So coming to the solution, first one, since f of x is a PDF was given in the question, so it has to satisfy the condition integral minus infinity to infinity f of x into dx is equal to 1. So our range is 0 to 3, f of x into dx is equal to 1. So for within this range, we don't have a single f of x. So the intervals must be splitted into 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and substitute the corresponding range f of x within this integration. Integrate all three values which is equivalent to 1. Then finally we get a value is equal to 1 by 2. Second question. We want to find out the cumulative distribution function for the given intervals. So if x less than 0, there is no f of x defined in the given question. So capital F of x is equal to 0. Now for the interval 0 to 1, we want to find out capital F of x, that is equal to 0 to 1. Actually we should write 0 to x. Corresponding f of x is ax into dx. And substitute a value, then on integrating we get x square by 4. Third one, if 1 less than equal to 1 to 2 range, capital F of x is equal to, since being this is a cumulative distribution function, we have to take the previous interval 0 to 1 and 1 to x, substitute the corresponding f of x and a value also, then finally integrating we get x by 2 minus 1 by 4. Fourth one, for the range 2 to 3, your capital F of x is equal to, the first two ranges also included 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to x. The corresponding functions we have written, substitute a value and integrating. we get minus x square by 4 plus 3 by 2 into x minus 5 by 4. Last one, if x greater than 3, then capital F of x is equal to 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to x. So substitute all the f of x for the given range and on integrating we get 1. Third question, p of x greater than 1.5 we should find out. So integral over 1.5 to 3 f of x dx is equal to, we don't have a single function between 1.5 to 3 range. So 1.5 to 2 function is a into dx and 2 to 3 function is 3a minus ax into dx, which is equivalent to 1 by 2. Now on integrating we get the answer 1 by 2. Choosing an x and observing its value can be considered as a trial. We take a capital X greater than 1.5 as a success. So that means 1 by 2 is a success. We take it as P. P value is equal to 1 by 2. So by using Bernoulli formula, Q can be calculated as 1 minus P. So we get Q is equal to 1 by 2. P and Q are 1 by 2. As we choose 3 independent observations, we take n equal to 3. Now by Bernoulli theorem, formula is P of x is equal to ncx p power x q power n minus x. We want to find out probability of one success. So we have to substitute n value as 3 and x is equal to 1, p value 1 by 2 power 1, q value 1 by 2 power 3 minus 1. So we get 3 by 8 is the answer for the third question. So practice problem, a continuous random variable x as the distribution function, capital F of x is equal to 3 values are given. We want to find k and find the probability density function small f of x and p of x less than 2. So the answer also I have given. So practice this problem which is similar to first problem. Problem 2. The cumulative distribution function CDF of a random variable of x is capital F of x is equal to 1 minus 1 plus x into e power minus x, where x is greater than 0. In this we want to find out the probability density function and mean and variance of x. Three things we have to find out: PDF, mean and variance for the given capital F of x. Solution. Given capital F of x we write and range is x is greater than 0. Then we want to find out small f of x, that is d by dx of capital F of x. So substitute capital F of x here, integrate, differentiate it. We will get differentiation of 1 is 0, e power minus x differentiation plus e power minus x minus, and here you apply Bernoulli formula. So finally we get x into e power minus x, where x is greater than 0. So now we want to find out mean and variance. E of x is equal to, the formula is 0 to infinity x into f of x into dx. Substitute f of x here and x square into e power minus x into dx. Here you apply Bernoulli formula, we get 2. Then find out e of x square, integral 0 to infinity x square into f of x dx. Substitute f of x, then apply Bernoulli formula, finally we will get 6. Next, we want to find out variance of x. The formula is e of x square minus e of x whole square, which is equivalent to 6 minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 6 minus 4. Finally, we get 2. So here we got mean 2 and variance also 2. So in the next video, we will see derivations and problems under continuous distribution. Thank you.